Today we are discussing about the sets. Let them complete the sets because I explained you some of the part of the sets. So let me complete these sets. Then we will start quadratic equations and matrices and determinants, our IIT topics. So this is also IIT topic, but this topic we started and we finished half of this one. So let me complete this topic and then we will go further. Okay, let's see here. On the previous day, the last day, I explained about subset and power set. What is subset? A set A and B. Two sets are there. A and B are two sets. Every element of A is a part of B. Then we can say A is a subset of B and B is a superset of A. Right? Okay, we call like that. Suppose if I want to say power set. What is a power set? For a given set, all the subsets to the set is called as power set. Now, let's say the number of power sets formula is number of power sets is equal to 2 power n. Already I discussed in the previous lecture. Now see total number of subsets of a finite set formula is 2 power n. Suppose you have this question. Find the number of subsets for this set. Number of subsets for this. How many number of subsets are there? Number of subsets for this set. This set, how many subsets are there? That is 2 to the power of the number of A is cardinal number counting 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elements are there. The number of subsets will be 2 power 4, that is equal to 16. As already I told you what is power set. In the previous lecture I told you what is power set, how you see that, and already I gave this formula, just I am recalling once. Now the number of proper subsets formula is number of proper. For example, I just take you for example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3. Then the all subsets for this set, that is called power set. That is called power set. So what are the power set here? 1 is a set, 1 is a subset to this, 2 is a subset to this, 3 is a subset to this, correct? 1, 2 is subset to this, because see 1 is in this containing, so it is a subset, 2 is containing subset, 3 is containing subset, 1, 2 it is containing in this, it is subset, 2, 3 is containing in this, it is a subset, 2, 3, then what we get is 3, 1, 3 also containing in this, it is a subset, and then 1, 2, 3, this is a subset, and then this subset to every set. Total subsets how many are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I told you already. If number of elements are 3, 2 cube, that is 2 cube is how much? 8. So power sets, number of power sets will be, number of power sets is equal to, that is 2 cube, that is equal to 8. Now, number of proper subsets. Number of proper subsets means itself set should be removed. Itself sets, this is 1, 2, 3. Already I gave you A subset to B, but A is not equal to B is called as proper subset. So 1, 2, 3 should be removed. Then the formula is number of proper subset formula is 2 power 2 raised to power n minus 1. Number of non-empty subsets. Non-empty subsets means you can count this one and this time you don't count this one. So you don't count pi, you don't count null set. At the time formula is 2 to the power of n minus 1. And number of non-empty proper subsets. When you have number of non-empty proper subsets at this time the formula is 2 to the power of n minus 2. In this case, what? This also we don't count and this pi also don't count. So then that time the number of non-empty proper subset is 2 power n minus 2. Number of proper subsets is 2 power n minus 1. Number of non-empty subsets is 2 power n minus 1. Let us see some questions. The number of non-empty subsets of a set 1, 2, 3, 4 is dash. So for this set, how many elements are there? Let us consider this is a set A, and the number of elements of this set is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sets are there. 4 elements are there. The non-empty subsets will be number of non-empty subsets. Number of non-empty subsets will be non-empty subsets is equal formula will be what? 2 power n minus 1. That is 2 power 4 minus 1. That is 2 power 4 minus 1 is down. Okay, 2 power 4 and the minus 1 is down. Okay, that is 2 power 4 minus 1. 16 minus 1, that is 17. This is 2 power n minus 1. 2 power n minus down is 1, not power. 2 power n minus 2 is the formula. So always just we are removing only one element, so minus 1. Here we are removing only one element, minus 1. We are removing here two elements, in this case, so minus 2. 2 power n minus 1 is the formula. So number of non-empty subsets is 2 power n minus 1, that is 2 power 4 minus 1. 16 minus 1, that is equal to 15 is the answer. So 2 power 4 minus 1 is 16 minus 1, that is 15 is the answer. So the answer is 15. So this is the way we will do it. Let's see some more questions on this topic. If you understand, let me know if you did not understand. Okay, so just formula, based on this formula, for that they may ask the question. See here, there is a topic like sets, statistics, relations. These are the three topics: sets, statistics, relation. Sometimes they ask in JEE, sometimes they won't ask in JEE. JEE means maybe ask this question, may not be asked. In some paper they will ask, some paper they don't ask. So it is an optional type. Okay, but it is a basic class, so try to understand this one. Okay, let us see the more concept on this. Okay, let me explain you one more question, so it will be clear. So the next question is right here, you understood, right? Okay, next question is, it's like this. This is one more important question. Let's see, based on this, these are the two types of questions they ask JEE. So I am covering the two model questions. Okay, now this question is like this. Here, two finite sets having m and n elements. Let us take two sets, finite sets. A is one finite set. A has how many elements? M elements. And another B, let us take another set is B, and that having how many elements? N elements. Two finite sets. Let us take two finite sets. One is A set, one is B set. Number of A is M, number of B is N. The number of subsets of the first set. Number of subsets of the first set is formula is what? 2 power m. Okay, the number of subsets of the first set is 2 power m. The number of subsets of the first set is, this is 1 to n more than the second set. So the number of subsets of the second set is 2 power n, and this is more than as 1, 1, 12. What is the value of m and n? Okay, this is the question they ask. So what we do here, in this case, we can write as 2 to the power of m minus 2 to the power of n is equal to 112. And just you have an options. I did not put options. According to the options, you have to solve this question. Option A 4, 7. Option B 7, 4. Option C 4, 4. Option D 7, 7. Just substitute these values in this. Just substitute these values in this. Which is satisfying this, that will be your answer. If you don't want to do in this way, the simplest way is substitute these options in this and find the values of m and n. If you don't want to do in this way, you have to do another way. Is 2 power n take out common here. If I take 2 power n common, so what I get in the first place, whenever I take 2 power n common, that will be divided here, because there is no 2 power n. So what I get here, 2 power m divided by 2 power n minus, this is 2 power n divided by 2 power n. When I take common, that will be divides. Okay, I hope you understand. Otherwise, you do one thing, multiply by 2 power n divided by 2 power n. That is also done. So this is easiest way I am telling you. 2 power n take out common. 2 power, this is a by m, and m minus n minus 1 is equal to 1200. Convert into like here 16 sevens are 16 sevens are. Like convert into a number like prime products into this. sevens are 112. So if you compare this one, 2 power n will be equal to 16. So 2 power n is equal to 2 power 4. So n value will be 4. So you got here. Why I did like this? I did as 2 power, this number should get 2 power something. So 2 power something is 16 into 7, I know. 16 sevens are 112. So this is 10 to n power. So this will be how much here? This will be 2 power m minus n minus 1 is equal to how much? 7. This will be equal to this part. So 2 power m minus n is equal to 7 plus 1, 8. Already then this is 2 power m minus n is equal to 2 cube. So m minus n is equal to 3 and n is equal to 4, you substitute. 4 is equal to 3, thus m is equal to 7. So m value is 7 and n value 4. A option is the right. So you can do like this 7 comma 4 or 4 comma 7. It's okay. You can see here m what? M must be what? M must be 7. Okay, m must be 7. So B option is right, not A option. M must be 7. M is the first, 7 and then A. So M 7 comma 4 is right, not 4 comma 7. You just substitute other. This is not required. When you get this equation, just substitute these options in this and check out. So these model questions will be there based on power set and proper subset and like we can say that number of proper subset, number of non-empty subsets like that. For example, a question will be like this. Here P is equal to a set has the element 1 comma 2 comma right here we can write 4 comma something here 5. Find number of proper. Suppose they ask you find number of non-empty subsets. Non-empty subsets. Suppose they ask you what is the number of non-empty subsets. Then the formula will be number of P will be how much? You just see here. Number of P will be 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of P of this one will be how much? That is number of this is power set. Actually P is there. P is a power set. The power actually this set is represented by P. So you consider as a power set. Then the number of power sets formula will be that is we can write as 2 to the power of 4 minus 1 formula. Number of, you don't write like this. Just simply you can write, you got number of elements 4. So number of non-empty subsets is equal to, you can write this formula directly. That is the formula is 2 power n minus 1. That is 2 power n is how much here? 4 minus 1. That is 16 minus 1. That is equal to 15. If they ask you number of non-empty subsets, then the formula is 2 power n minus 1. See here, 3 things you remember for this same question. Number of subsets for the given sets, that is 2 power n, that is 2 power 4, that is 16. Number of non-empty subsets, 2 power n minus 1, 15. Number of proper subsets, the formula is same, 2 power n minus 1, that is also 15. Number of non-empty proper subsets, that is last formula, that is 2 power n minus 2, that is 2 power 4 minus 2, that is 16 minus 2, that is 14. So only based on this they can ask to maximum this, not more than this. So that's why I covered this part. Hope you understand this point, and we discuss the operations on the sets.